Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning.
ma'am.
So, see, most of you are present. Okay, Sayed is also here. See, your friend is also here. Okay, Shiza is absent because one of her family members, someone passed away. That's why she is absent. So, no worries. I feel someone else is also absent. Someone from the girls. Fatima is there. Okay. Okay. So no worries. Advait, note down the attendance, please.
Okay, miss.
You did not send it to me yesterday.
I sent it to Shiza.
Okay, okay. So she must be busy. Okay, no problem, no problem. You directly send it to me on WhatsApp today. I'm sending you my number. Okay. Yesterday one
Okay, miss.
and today one also.
Okay.
Just a second. Okay, so let's start the debate today. The long awaited debate since so long time. Everybody wants to fight, but actually, I guess there were members who were for the topic, so many of them are absent. Yes, exactly. Only Fatima and Mariam are there. Shiza is absent.
Even Shumala, I think.
Yeah, even Shumela is absent. Correct. That's what I was wondering. Someone is absent. Okay, so what shall we do? Shall we go forward with the debate? This way it won't be an equal debate.
1 minute,
Miss,
ma'am.
there were already unequal people in the opposite team.
Yeah, but still, Shumela and Shiza were there, Fatima was there. So due to all
Miss,
four of
it's
them,
been a
I
long
thought it.
time. Last
Oh.
week you said we were gonna do the debate, but now it was shifted to today. But now you will shift it again to next week.
Try texting Shumela, please. Try texting her.
Oh yeah.
Text her if she's
I can just
joining.
put it in our students
I will
group.
just message her.
Okay, you just messaged her. Okay. Don't put it in the group, Advait. Okay, let's see if she's joining. Then we'll take her along also. Okay, because Asma's mic won't work as usual. So then we have only 2 people for against today. Okay. Do you all want time for research or are you all ready? Everyone is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So then let's start the debate. Advait, just take down the attendance quickly and then we'll start the debate.
Okay,
Come on.
miss.
So what are your plans, rest of you, for the weekend? Everybody staying in?
Going to my sister's hostel.
Okay, to meet her?
Yep.
Great. What about others? Sayyad, Mohammed?
Ma'am,
Okay.
going to my Khala
Doing
Khalu.
weekend homeworks.
What, ma'am?
Okay. Weekend's homework. Who has given you the homework?
Chanda, ma'am.
Okay, great. Tabish is going to meet their aunt and uncle. And who is this? Fatima is going to the village. Nice, huh? You have nice weekend plans here. I don't have any weekend plans as such of now. Let's see. Maybe we make one by Saturday. Yes, Mariam?
Same here, even I don't have any plans.
Yeah. The time when I don't have any plans, I end up sitting at home watching TV. So I guess that is going to happen with me. Okay, Advait, done? What's taking you so long, my boy? Come on, fast.
Miss, done.
Okay, done. Okay. Okay, so come on, let's start the debate. Who will come up
The
first?
against one.
The one who comes up
Are
first,
against.
everyone has to turn off their videos. Huh?
It's
Today,
the
no
leader.
excuses.
The leader.
No excuses today. Everyone
Turn
has
off
to turn
the
on their
videos
videos.
or
Turn
turn
on
on?
their videos.
Oh,
Okay, Asma, your video is on. Is it showing it's on, but I cannot see you? Asma's video is not visible. Okay, try turning off and turning on again. Okay. Mariam, you're looking very cute. Yes, Mohammed,
Thank you.
Saqib, come on, Syed.
What, ma'am?
Syed,
Just a
turn
second,
on
ma'am.
your videos. Syed, your group members are going
I
to kill
forgot
you.
to write someone's name. I just checked it and it wasn't there. So I had to write it and then put their
Okay.
name in present.
Syed's group members will kill him if today he doesn't participate because everybody was
Yeah.
so eager
Yeah.
for him to
We were gonna
be
kill
present.
him.
So you are the VIP, Syed. Okay,
I'm
you are
gonna hire a hitman to kill him.
Okay, come on. So let's start. Mariam, put your point. Mariam, let's start the debate. Come on, let's beat the boys. Yes.
Teenagers who are addicted to violent video games are also capable of killing others. A case shows that a 19-year-old boy was arrested for eligible killing his family. He used to bunk classes and play PUBG with his friends. Because of that, he failed his board exams. His
Okay.
father,
So this is not an allegation. This is a real, scene she's telling. A real crime that happened. Okay. So
His father-
who is coming for the defense? Come on.
his,
the
his
boy that murdered his
Okay,
parents
Mariam
are
is let
ending
her
up.
complete. Let her complete. Wait. Yes,
His-
Mariam, complete.
his father got angry and he didn't let him play PUBG anymore. He was so frustrated and angry that the game he was so addicted to the game that
Yes.
he leaded him to kill his family.
Yeah,
That
I have
shows
also heard this. True.
video that shows that violent video games can take somebody's life also.
Okay, good point. Come on, opposition. Yes, I am.
Ma'am, the man,
Yes.
the boy or man who tried to kill his family,
The boy tried to
It was the boy.
kill his family.
yes, the boy who tried to kill his family and succeeded, he did it in
Yes.
his own risk, and
Yes.
it was because of his own fault because he played video games for more than 2 hours or 1 hour. Because
He
we
was
play
so
video
addicted.
games more than
Ma'am, do
2
you
hours.
know I know a person
We are addicted.
who sits at 1 o'clock at the night and he plays till I think 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning.
He used to
From
play
morning to
12
7.
hours in a day, 12 to 8.
Yes,
For
so
12
that
hours,
is
it will,
that yes. So that will damage his brain. That is his own fault,
that is
not
his own
the
fault and
game.
his parents'
And
fault.
even and because of the
But the
like
video
people
game
like these
itself
people,
was violent.
no, because of so many people like they have been like killing everyone and like that. So it is the
I'm not
game's
going to
fault.
speak
And now,
anything until I
yes,
find,
now
they
can I?
are literally fighting like cats and dogs. Until then, you all can have a debate. I'm listening very
Ma'am,
nicely.
can I?
Fatima, you also support.
Yeah,
Yes.
can I?
Keep on.
So
Yes,
it is
continue.
his fault that he played so long, and now like there are so many cases because of that. PUBG also got shut down, and then after that, now they have recreated it, but they give warnings like every single game. Like when you start, they tell you warnings. Do not take this in real life or anything. They
It
just give a
comes with a
warning.
lock code.
Yes. And
Come
there
on,
are
where is my
always
opposition? Come on.
I think there are settings in the game that you can put so that you can't play more than 1 or 2 hours. It will just lock the game. You can put that in your phone. Everybody has it. What do you have to say for that?
Yes.
And not all games are supposed to be addicting. Like you can play for some hours, and that also makes your creativity
1 or
boost.
2 hours is fine, but more than that, no.
Yeah, and it makes you think out of the box and stuff. It is very creative. You can go creative with that.
Okay, but it has
It
its
is-
own side effects also. You can.
It
Yes,
has
Fatima,
side
speak
effects
up.
also.
Speak up.
Violent games aren't appropriate for teenagers because it promotes aggressive behavior and lack of empathy towards people around them.
Again, it's their own fault.
Okay, sorry, excuse me, please. Sakib, that's completely fine. Nobody is perfect here. You can turn on your video, you can speak however you like. It's okay. I will correct you if I find you wrong somewhere. That's okay. Nobody in here knows perfect English. That's fine. Even I make mistakes. Even I am a human. Don't worry about that. You speak very good English, I have noticed. Come on. You know about violent games, na? So either take one side. I request you to take the against side because there are many people for here. But it's your choice. You can either take for choice or against one. And out of the two, what you can do is then you can keep your points. Okay, Sakib? Take your time, raise your hand, take your time, speak. But everyone has to speak. At least try.
Now, what did
Yes.
Fatima say?
Yes, Fatima, repeat your point, please.
Is because
Yeah. Violent games aren't appropriate for teenagers because it promotes aggressive behavior and lack of empathy towards people around them.
I told the answer. It's their own fault and their
No,
parents'
it's the fault of the maker of the video games.
No,
Yes.
somehow,
that's
ma'am.
how they will get money.
You are getting
That's how
addiction
they
in
will
this.
get money. And
So
then
such
they will earn
addiction
money.
games should be banned in the first place. Why are they so
Ma'am,
released in the
they-
market?
Now they give
You're
warning.
killing
Don't
somebody
play
because of that video
house,
game.
and they even tell you in the game that these are not in real life. You should not do anything shown in this game right now, like that. You know, they give warning, and it is not their fault that
So,
they
but there
use
is
it.
a warning on tobacco
One second, someone-
also that you
So
you
they
shouldn't
stop.
consume that. That doesn't mean people don't consume it. People still consume it.
Ma'am,
Only way to stop
they're
it is to ban
consuming
it.
it in their own risk.
If you ban it, there would be a huge revolt against it. Like that happened with cigarettes in one country. Like when they banned cigarettes, the same thing happened. Like a big revolt happened. If you ban PUBG, there might be a very
No,
big revolt
actually, there is
against
for
it.
cigarette. If I say, I cannot talk. I'm just giving an example because that is for 18 plus. Here we are talking about teenagers. Teenagers don't have a command on themselves. Adults know they are destroying themselves. That's their own choice if they want to destroy themselves. But teenagers still, parents are responsible for teenagers. So anything that we let out in the market for teenagers, we have to think and plan and then let out, or else it can be banned.
Yes, little kids.
Ma'am,
Some
but in
people
online
are-
games, you can socialize with people more than you socialize even if you go
But you,
outside.
but
For
you are,
socializing, you have a lot of social media apps. Yes, Mariam.
Ma'am,
you can even
Yeah,
socialize.
ma'am, but
people.
like in social media apps, that's the place where you ask people to play with games with you. Like mostly that is the only interaction you have with people on the social media, or you won't have fun talking to each other. Games make this thing friendships.
You won't get the
That's it.
chance to speak. Those who are trying to speak, take your chance. Come on, speak it. Yes.
You can even connect to wrong people with that.
What
Now
she
what?
said?
so you're telling that the youth has, if youth, so violent video games usually refer to like gun violence and those stuff, right? So I'm taking from the US because there's more gun violence there. So if your youth play more video games, as you're telling, and they have aggressive behavior, then the murder rate, killing rate should be higher than the normal at the violent video games release date. So it should be high. But the video games, the statistics do not show that. So let me take. In 1980, there was the first controversial violent video game, like Mortal Kombat, 1980s. So and then the games started to explode in mid 90s and 2000s. So the crime statistics should show the same, the violence, but it shows the complete opposite. The murder rate in the United States hit its peak in 1980, and the same shows for all the crime statistics. Like murder rate decreased by 45% in 2016, from 1991 to 2016, and same for all the major homicide things. So youth, also the youth statistics, crime statistics shows the same result.
Okay, can you name some of the violent games that were released between that time period in that area?
I told you, Mortal Kombat was released
Mortal
in mid
Kombat
1980s. So that
Tekken.
was a very violent video game, and kids were playing it. So there should be the statistics of crime should show the same peak of homicide, but it's not showing that. It's showing it the crime hit its peak in 1980, not 1985 or something when Mortal Kombat was released. And same with GTA 5 and all the other uh, series is like Call of Duty, etc. So same, it's showing the statistic do not show that homicide rate will hit its peak or anything.
Okay, any point from the opposition? Mariam, Fatima, Advait is just enjoying it, not
Hey.
speaking anything.
Yeah, he's
I'm
not
gonna
speaking
speak
a
next.
word.
I'm gonna speak next. I'm gonna speak next. I'm
And
not gonna defend.
even one more boy was absent in this. Afek, he is present today. Afek, we are just
Miss
doing a
Afaq.
debate. Afaq, sorry, I'm really sorry. Afaq, we are doing a debate based on violent video games, whether they should be banned or they should not be banned because of their, we can say the way we have seen it, they are aggressive. So if you find it aggressive, if you find it wrong, you can take the against side or you can take the for side and speak up. So I request
Ma'am,
you to
I'll-
turn on your video, at least show us your face. You have joined after so long. Yes, continue. Others.
Taking part in an excessive amount of video game make youngsters socially isolated. They lose interest in alternative activities like reading, learning, doing homework, and interacting with their family and friends.
This happens with the addicted ones, not the players who play regularly for just 2 hours a day.
Even from the research of New York's university, that first person shooting games produced a heightened sensitivity and led to more efficient use of sensory evidence. That means like better decision making.
Most of the times, the players who are playing even 2 hours a day is not, sticking to your mobile phone 2 hours a day is not a good thing. And then the second thing is most of the Mariam is laughing, huh? Nicely. Okay. You have such a cute smile. You're distracting me. Okay. Yeah. So most of the times, this can have a negative impact on their mental health, especially. What do you have to say on this? You're constantly sitting on the mobile phone and you're distracting yourself from the real world for constant 2 hours.
Ma'am, so what's the so violent video games? That's nothing to do with like violence and those stuff. So that's just on your brain. That's your fault.
Okay, so everything for every reason you have this, that it is your fault. It is you have to look
Yes,
after it.
it's your
Ma'am,
fault, ma'am.
everything has a side effect. So you have to do everything at a
Even
respectable-
medicines have side effects, so we can't just cancel medicines.
Fruits
Everything
also
has
have.
a side effect.
Okay,
Even
but we have the doctor who advises us to take it in a proper amount and we do it that way.
So
You
we
don't
have
give
the
the example
parents
of
who
medicine.
We can
take
do
it
the
in a-
same thing. We can do the same thing with
Teenagers don't listen
listening
to
games.
parent. As far as I know, Indian teenagers rarely listen to parents.
they
I
have
have
their
been through
weapon.
that age.
Then moms
Yeah.
have their weapon in their hand.
Yes. So, but
Balan.
at the end of the day, everybody, Everybody is so much addicted to these games. Once you start playing, it is very sure that you will get addicted. That there was this one game, I don't
have to
remember,
have-
the Pokemon one. All the kids, they were just going behind it. They were going
Yeah,
here and there.
Pokemon.
They were falling in the
Pokemon Go.
gutters. Yes. What was that? So at some point, after playing it regularly,
That
it is
wasn't a
going to
violent
make
game.
you addicted. No, I'm
That
not
was not
talking
a
about
violent
violence.
And that game
Not
was
violent.
that game was a scam. It was a scam also.
I'm talking
So you
about
can-
addiction. Yeah, I'm talking about addiction. That somewhere or the other, if you keep on playing the game regularly, so if it is an aggressive game, it is bound to make you addicted.
Blue Whale was a scam, bro.
Ma'am, anything.
Even
if you
Pokemon
do
Go
anything
is-
can make you addicted. If you take medicine so regularly, like painkillers, you will get addicted to it. And
So
you
your
probably-
partner was saying that playing every day 2 hours won't do anything. So that's why this is the point I've
Playing
kept.
in limit. I said limit.
I took the point 2 hours. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, but that's
Ma'am,
not
if
really.
they don't know they can stop playing, they should
Hmm.
just break the mobile and just sit.
This is not going to happen. Nobody will ever do this. Baseless point,
So
dear.
don't play
Nobody
then.
will ever do this.
So
Come on,
don't play.
others.
Ma'am,
There was a reason.
I have my
There was.
thing.
You speak Tavish, then I'll speak.
Ma'am, I have my thing, like I wrote everything or what will I say in counterpoints. So I have everything on like my book here. So
Yeah, but no one is
I-
no one is speaking from the against side, right?
yes.
Okay. Yes, come on, Fatima. Do you have any points?
Yes. Children sticking to the screen of mobile phones or TV playing games for long hours instead of going out or completing their homework when their parents ask them to go out to play or completing their homework, all they do is ask for a few more minutes for playing, which turns into hours. It can be devastating for any parent to see their child spending so much time in front of the screen when all they hear is these activities are unhealthy for their growth.
Ma'am, but that's not have anything to do with violent video games and violence. So that's just you watching screen for too long. Yes, it is bad for watching your screen too long. But that's not
But
anything
they
to do
are
with
addicted to it. That's why they stick.
yeah, but addiction can
But
happen
it's not
anywhere, anytime.
addicting to the video games, violent video games. It's addicting to YouTube videos and other things instead of only addicting video games. Violent
You can
ones.
be addicted to anything.
Easily. It's not related to
Ma'am,
violent video games, though. That point.
people are more addicted to Instagram and Facebook more than video games.
This is
You're
turning
looking
into
like
a
a
court.
judge. Yeah.
Miss, this is not turning into a debate. This is turning into a court where we are the people who's defending the games and the other people are defending something else.
Till the debate.
Video games also affect the brain in the same way as a drug effect.
What?
Good point.
What did she
Come
say?
on, Mariam, speak
What?
up loudly
did she
once
say?
again. You would have to give the examples or statistics stating that it is happening. Yeah.
Video games affects the brain in the same way as drugs affects.
Do I look like this after playing violent video games? Do I look like this? You can ask Mohammed Kasu and Ayan. Both of them know that I don't look like this after playing with them. I don't look like that after playing video games.
As much as drugs.
It's
You
not
look like
harmful.
sometimes.
Yes, it is.
It
You
doesn't.
are
It doesn't.
constantly seeing the screen. It can affect your eyes.
That's the biggest lie. That's the biggest
Yes,
lie
it is
ever.
not a
No.
it is not a lie.
That's
Those are
the
the
biggest
clips you
lie
get
in the
done
entire
blind.
history. TV,
Solar
mobile
eclipse can
phones, and
also-
laptops and tabs. They
Then how
don't
did I
affect
get
your
this? Then
eyes.
how did I get this? If TV, mobile phones, and all these things
Anything
don't
else.
affect your
Miss, what
eyes,
was
how
it?
did I
Solar
get
eclipse.
this?
Anything
Even
Solar
else.
eclipse. Solar eclipse.
Ma'am, I do accept
Ma'am,
like they gave
looking-
us radiation, but
When I
still,
got
like
my glasses because
if
of
you if
staring
you're
See,
let's say broken,
blue rays is the truth, huh? These days, blue rays.
Yes.
Everyone is saying that these blue rays
yeah,
come
the
out of.
radiation is harmful. But like if you have broken legs, you have clutches, and if the radiation is harmful, you will get something. You will get something to protect yourself from that also. Like there's every.
I don't
medicine
see
for
anyone
everything.
here protecting
Miss,
themselves
there
from
is-
the screens. I don't find
Miss, there
anyone
is
here,
also some-
who's playing.
There are
Ma'am,
some
You're
who do
so
you
rules
think
health
is
also.
winning
conscious.
so far this debate?
Miss,
What?
Miss, there is a
With
type of
with the sayings, who do you think is winning the debate so far?
wait. No,
See,
let's look.
let's
Listen
continue.
to
We
that at
still
the
have
end of the
time.
class.
Yeah,
Miss,
yeah,
there
yeah.
are some type of screen protectors which reduce radiation. There are some type of.
Ma'am, I always keep
screen
my
Can
blue
make your
filter on.
phone
So
3D.
that's what.
I never.
And ma'am, there is like a night mode in which like night mode or like eye comfort
I
mode.
keep my eye protection.
There are two
on.
modes like you can use that. It's in every this thing.
There is
Reading
vision
mode
It
also.
gives a
confirmed.
yellow light.
There is
It
vision
doesn't
confirmed.
harm.
Eye comfort.
Even I
Confirmed
have
mode.
that in my phone. Yes. Okay.
So if you use that, it
If you
reduces
close your eyes, you
radiation
can
that
and
use
on,
it
it.
doesn't
I
hurt
never
your eyes
close it.
anymore. And plus, I
And
also
probably anyone
turn on
who ever
airplane
killed
mode.
on video games,
Ma'am,
like their
this
life probably hit their
I
head when they
feel
were
like I am in, I feel like I am in a court. I'm the judge, and the two opposition parties are fighting, and then they are saying judge, judge, the same way you're saying ma'am, ma'am. I am not going to
Ma'am.
speak anything. You have to fight amongst yourselves.
the games are just made for
That's what I just said,
enjoyment.
miss. That's
Ma'am,
what I
let me-
just said.
Okay,
It's
okay.
more of a court.
Some more statistic. The US isn't the only country with a massive like video game culture, but the only difference is it has more gun deaths than any other country. The US has topped the list at 4.46 at gun violence, so killings per year, and other countries total in the top 9 all amount to 2.55.
So you accept
US
yourself that US has more gun killing.
Yes, because the gun laws there, they are just there. There's no gun laws. You can walk into a store and buy a gun. Just that.
No,
They
you
have
did.
So then
Not
that
illegal.
would be more harmful for the people if the teenagers and everyone keeps on playing these aggressive video games. Anybody can pick a gun and they can try
It's
doing
not
that in
legal
real
in
life.
India.
no wait.
It's
See,
not
the-
legal
He's
in
talking
India.
about US. Yes.
yeah. So there is also, but there has been more mass shootings in schools more though. They from 1982 to 2006, there's been 1.6 mass shootings per year, resulting in 10 people dead. But from 2007 to 2019, there have been 5.4 per year. So that's one mass shooting. In 1949, there was one mass shooting per 5 years. But from this 2007-19, there's been at least one per year in schools. So I can take that. Let's look at the killers from the Columbine High School shootings, the Sandy Hook Elementary School shooters, and the Norwegian High School shooters. The Norwegian High School shooter told allegedly that COD4 made his aim better. But now let's look at the correlation between them. So the American so wait 1 minute. The out of the 14 killings per year, out of the 18 incidents which occurred of mass shootings, which occurred in more than 10 deaths, only 4 of the killers had video game experience behind. So this was a report by the US Secret Service, which is the protection agency. 12% of the shooters had expressed likeness to violent video games. And the Norwegian terrorist who claimed that his aim was better by playing Call of Duty 4 was fake because the scientists couldn't replicate it outside of the whatever he said. So there is just
How
only
come is
4 of
my
the
opposition so patient to listen everything is speaking? Come on, fight up. Everybody.
What happened
I'm
to
really
Mariam? How did
missing.
she
I'm
hit
really
herself in 1
missing.
second?
I'm
How the
really
hell did
missing
she-
Shiza today. Huh?
Hit her in 1 second. 1 second ago, she didn't have any bandages. Next second, she has one bandage on her head. How?
She already had it. Come on, no jokes on that. Yes, Mariam, continue.
Fatima will say.
I gave her
Classes.
shot her head.
क्या मम्मी बच्चे वीडियो खुल रही है?
Mohammed Sayyed, your microphone is on.
Okay. Come on, who's speaking now?
Me.
Such a cold debate.
Can I speak?
Yes.
Listen,
Opposition
Mark.
team is weak, ma'am.
You
The
are not
opposition
supposed to
team.
ask me today. It is a debate.
Miss,
Taking
there was a test done in the University of New York that they were assigned. They did a test on all the students in the university, and they took their marks and then keep them safe somewhere else. And then they half of the students to play a first-person shooter game, and then the other half of the students math problems to solve continuously for 3 days continuous.
Okay,
So-
come on. I have a point for all of you. Opposing. Previous research showed that just 10 to 20 minutes of violent gaming increased activity in the brain region associated with arousal, anxiety, and emotional reaction, while simultaneously reducing activity in the frontal lobes associated with emotion regulation and executive control. Come on,
Ma'am,
just 10 to
these
20
games are
minutes
just
of games.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the
these games are
WHO
just made for enjoyment. Means
Ma'am, the
they're-
WHO has
Yeah.
proven that playing video games just improves your reaction skills, your quick reaction skills.
Are you talking about aggressive video games?
Miss, yes, miss. First-person shooter games are aggressive video games. So after 3 days, they gave them the test again, the test again, and then their marks increased by 80%. The people who played the
I can't
first-person
see
shooter-
your marks getting improved anywhere by playing video games.
Miss.
Oh,
we
good.
don't
That
play.
you don't play
That
video
hard.
games. Oh
These
God! So you
problems
are
solving
all here.
skills. Miss,
You are
miss,
just yes.
listen. Miss, their problems solving skills improved, then their good thinking improved.
Who here
They
plays
answered
video
to-
games? Come on. Are you all just defending, or even do you play? Who is playing here in the real sense? Okay. Someone said we
I
don't play
play.
and is raising his hand. Ayan, Advait, Mohammed. Okay. Who else? Syed also. I was expecting this out of these boys. Yes. Okay. And which video games do you play?
Fire.
I play Call of Duty.
Sniper, Valorant.
I play Call of
Advait
Duty.
plays every game. He has a
Every
PS5.
game in the world.
He
And
can,
then as
looking
for
at him,
user
we can
racing
tell
game.
that he is a gamer. The
Yes.
way he
Racing
has
games as
maintained
well.
his
Miss,
personality.
I just don't play first-person shooters.
So
I
your
also
mother
play
would be
racing games.
constantly shouting at you, right?
No.
No? You don't
No,
play it continuously?
But I
He's
have
really
to
good at
study
maths.
as well. I have to play. I have to also study a lot to get the phone. That's the.
Because we play by time. We play for 1 or 2 hours only.
Not 2 hours.
We 1 hour
Not
only. We
2
only
hours.
play 1 hour.
Sometimes when we are feeling
1.5 hour.
then we play for 2 hours.
Okay.
Sometime only 1%.
Okay. So the opposition is surrendering?
No.
No? Okay.
Yes,
speak up
they're
then.
surrendering.
I'm waiting for you to ask. You are waiting for me to ask whether you are surrendering.
Some
Many
of
scholars from the American Physiological Association, given the game's violent nature, claim that there is a consistent correlation between violent video games and aggression. They said that these type of video games leave an emotional impact on children even when the game is over, making them commit a crime at a young age. The bad games encourage and reward players for showing violence in the game. The player experience act of violence such as killing, kicking, stabbing, and shooting in the game.
Ma'am, I have that. I have. So there is a correlation between killers and video games. Yes, but it is done by the American Psychological Association and the American Academy of Pediatrics. Prove it. But it's not correlation. Never means causation. So what based, but there is no statistic. It's not statistically amusing. So see, when two things are have correlation, they're put in a chart from -1, which means there's no correlation, nothing. If you do it, nothing happens. To 1, that if you do it, it definitely happens. So the video games was put in 0.3, which is weakly positive, which means like if you hit, then you might get a response. So 0.6 is moderate positive, and 1 is strongly positive. Video games was put in 0.3, means if one thing predicts one the other by a little, and none of the research puts video games above the 0.3. Any trusted sites.
Good point. Okay, so we are lacking somewhere with the research, I guess.
And ma'am, I have
Come
another
on,
one.
speak up, speak up. Yes.
Ma'am, so my last point comes from unusual source, the Supreme Court of the United States. There was a case in 2011 that Brown, the governor of California, versus the Entertainment Merchant Association. The case was that Brown did not allow violent video games to allow into the state, and it was unconstitutional. The governor, sorry, the law judge scored a 7-2. Uh, so the Entertainment Merchant Association won. The book which the lawyer wrote was that and I quote, psychological studies perpetrating that to show a connection between exposure to violent video games and harmful effects on children do not prove that such exposure to cause minors to act aggressively. Any demonstrated effects are both small and indistinguishable from effects produced by other media. This was written by a conservative judge. Conservative means he takes the right route, he goes on information first, he doesn't judge. Conservative judge, and a co-signed by one of the most liberal justices to justices. Liberal means that same conservative,
Yeah.
but they go with facts.
Okay. So anyone has any point? Mariam, you have turned off the video. Muhammad, Mariam, everyone.
These games are just made for the dopamine to release from your mind. When you play this game, the dopamine chemical in your mind just releases. That's the only motive for the aggressive video games.
So there is something called as dopamine addiction also.
Dopamine addiction is because of yourself. It depends on yourself.
if the
Okay,
Teenagers
but
are
how are you
grown up.
expecting under 18 age people? Yes, Mariam, am I speaking something?
if the game itself is addictive, what will the person do? You are getting
What?
so addictive that you can't even realize that are you doing? You're killing
That's-
people. You're
That's
getting
his fault.
you are getting mental. It's not their fault. The games
He
who
played the
created this
games
violent game,
more than 12 hours.
the owner is today's generation is killing people because of these video games. They are so addictive to them that they don't have to themselves.
Anyone who kills people over
Killing
video games might have hit
They are
their
doing
head
wrong.
when they were small. That's it. That's the only reason. Why would you go that far for video games? No one does that. It might be
There
another
are
reason. Might be envy, something
just
else.
because they didn't got to play video games. You are getting so addictive to those games that you are not understanding what is wrong and what is right.
Even they don't know their self.
It basically hinders. She's saying that it basically hinders the process, the way you think.
They have to know their self, that how
Ma'am,
much
when
I can play. If I exceed the limit, I will be addicted to this game.
We are teenagers. We can't control ourselves till now.
No, we can. We can.
Team owners should know that this generation is getting.
Ma'am,
Okay,
there
okay,
were
everyone.
older
Okay, wait. Can we just see the time? We are already exceeding the time limit. It was a
43.
very good debate. Yeah, it's 11:43. Okay, it was a very good debate. I'm not going to give much views on this. The only thing is, boys, the research from boys' side was outstanding. Perfect. Okay, you all were on fire. Even my girls were on fire. Only two were there. Still, they were constantly, putting their points and fighting with you boys. So the debate was very nice.
They
Now,
put themselves on fire, I guess.
everybody, both of you.
They used
Everybody.
flamethrowers too.
No, everybody was
Flamethrowers.
very, very good. Okay, I really was noticing who is participating, who is trying to speak. Good, but
Mohammed didn't participate.
yeah, he said some words in the between. So
At the
the
starting,
way, if we keep on speaking this way, if we keep on bringing such topics, we'll definitely, in public speaking, we will excel. Okay, so now we have
debate topic. Next debate.
Yes. I will release the next debate topic very
No,
soon.
no,
Let
ma'am,
it be a
please.
surprise.
Today.
I
Let
need
it be
today,
a
right now.
surprise. Okay,
Something
so
related to
right now that
technology.
can't be possible. I will put it in the
Something
classroom app
related to
today.
technology.
Now let's see. Now we might change the genre. Let's see. Right now it was related to technology itself. So gaming and all that.
Put it again into technology, please.
No. So that the girls have to do all the
Technology.
research because they are not much informed. Maybe I'm not really sure. I am informed about technology. Not everyone is informed. So take any other topic. Let's see. It might be about technology also. Let's see. But you would get your time to research. Don't worry.
Related to nature?
It can be related to nature. The topic can be anything. You have to be ready. Then a debate means a debate.
Books and technology.
Yeah, let's see what will I bring up, maybe related to your education. Something like that.
Like a pineapple.
Okay. So see you all next time. Advait, don't forget to send me the attendance. Okay?
I will.
Okay. Bye everyone. I hope you all enjoyed.
Wait, let me just copy your number. I forgot to
ma'am.
copy your number. Miss, wait, let me copy your number.
Okay.
I forgot to copy it.
So the moment I ended, it gets
I'll
ended for you all also.
Copy.
Yeah.
Okay then. Bye.
Um,
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.
Very good. Keep it up.